everybody, this is Marya here on YouTube. Today I have a JaclynHill makeup tutorial. This is featuring MorphexJaclynHill's palette. This has been one of my favorite palettes and I got it like 3 days ago. When you guys see this video, it's gonna be about a week and something that I have been using that palette, but I am super excited about this look. I actually really like how it came out. I love the palette, I love the eyeshadows. They blend super easily, they're super soft, they're super hyper recontra pigmented. Recontra, it's a Spanish word, but you know what I mean. They're super highly pigmented, so I definitely recommend that palette to you guys if you guys haven't tried it yet. But moving on, if you guys want to know how to create this look, then keep on watching.
Okay, you guys, so the first thing that I did was apply my primer, but I didn't show that. And this is the color Creamsicle that I'm gonna be using on my crease. So this is a very orangey shade. This is gonna really give a very kind of pop of color to the look. So that's pretty much why I apply it. Now I'm gonna be taking Jax, I think that's how you say it, I'm not really sure. And I'm gonna be placing this color on the outer corners of my eye. Again, this is gonna give dimension to the eye. This is just a little bit of a pop of color as well, since it is such a neutral tone that we're gonna be using. But this is mostly for dimension in the eye. Now I'm gonna be mixing Hunt and Pukey. Both of them are gonna be applied to the outer corners of my eye and to my crease. This is just gonna help blend Jax and Creamsicle together. It's just gonna give it more of a blended look to the whole eye. And I'm just gonna keep using both of those colors until I feel like it's blended enough. And now I'm just grabbing the same brush, clean it up a little bit, and started to blend out the eyeshadow. Now this eyeshadow is called Sissy, and I freaking love it. It's kind of a duochrome eyeshadow, it's really nice. And then Sissy goes in the middle of the eye, and then Faint goes in the inner corner of the eye. And this just kind of gives a different illusion to the eye. It kind of makes your eyes more open. Now I'm gonna be taking my powder for my face and use that as my highlighter. You can use a shimmery highlighter. I prefer a matte highlighter. I don't know why, I just do, but you can do whatever you want. I'm taking Jax again and just dipping it out that outer corner. Now I'm gonna take Creamsicle again. I'm gonna be placing that underneath my lower lash line. I'm really gonna smoke that out. I really like smoky looks. I have almond eyes and kind of smaller almond eyes, so I really like to make them bigger. So I really like the smoky lower lash line. Now I'm gonna take Hunt, and I'm gonna be using that again closer to the lower lash line. The further one is Creamsicle, then goes Hunt. And now I'm gonna be taking Jax with a smaller brush, and I'm really gonna trace it underneath my lashes, and this is just gonna give it more of a defined look to the eye. Now I'm gonna be taking Faint, and I'm gonna be placing that in my inner corner. This is gonna highlight my eyes and brighten them. Now I'm gonna be taking, you guessed it guys, my Perversion Eye Pen Felted Eyeliner by Urban Decay. This has become my favorite. If you guys can tell, I'm struggling a little bit today with my eyeliner, but we're just gonna pass that because it turned out pretty good. Now I'm gonna be taking a Great Lash Mascara by Maybelline, I think, and I'm gonna be placing that on my lower lash lines. On my upper lash line, I'm gonna be using Better Than Sex Mascara by Too Faced, and I think that's pretty much the whole look complete.
Everybody, that was it for today. It's a super simple look featuring the JaclynHill X Morphe palette, MorphexJaclynHill palette. I love this stuff. It's staying a little bit, but I love this stuff. This is a great palette for every day, for evening, for anything you want to do. This palette is amazing. If you want color, if you want neutrals, if you want warmer tones or cooler tones, everything is in this palette. I definitely recommend it a lot to you guys. The only thing it doesn't have is a setting powder after you put on your primer to set. She has two highlighter tones, but they are shimmery highlighters. So I don't know how you guys are gonna feel about that. I honestly don't care because I set it with my powder anyway. But yeah, I love this palette. It's amazing. The only thing I'm missing right now is my lips, and I'm gonna be putting Lumiere lipstick by ColourPop and Kathleen Lights. So yeah, this is the whole look. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye! This is one of my favorite primers for every day, for any natural kind of makeup look day. I'm using it today. I wanted to try it out with the foundation that I'm gonna show you